stopped shaving just to get this one. Hi, I'm Ada. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. And if you are new, thank you so much for joining us. Today, I just wanted to open some mail that I got with you guys. I'm so excited for this. I stopped shaving just to get this one. And then I also got some things for around my house. Trying to be as zero waste as I can. So we're slowly getting more things to go towards that way. Alright. I cannot remember what company this is from. Oh. Oh. Okay. That is a very thick envelope. That thing is so thick. Alright. Oh. Oh. Alright. So what I got was these little soap bags. You put your soap in there and you pull like the string shut, and it keeps your soap nice, but it also like doubles as like a washcloth and like exfoliates your skin. I did not, however, realize that I ordered 5 of them, but I did. So I ordered 5 of those, which I'll have to share with you guys the new soaps that I got because they smell so amazing, which is why I got these. So I'll have to share with you guys the new soap that I got, as well as the new shampoo I got, since I've never used shampoo bars, but that is what I use now. So, okay, so this is from the company, I don't even know how to say it, but it's from this company, CRUX. I want to say Crocs, but I swear that's wrong. And oh my gosh, this is what it looks like. I'm so excited for this. So this is what it looks like. And then on the back of the thing, it has the razor that goes in the safety razor. I got a 10-pack of the razor blades that go in it, which these were only like $1 something for these. So it was super awesome. Then, oh, here we go. Oh, okay. And then I got, let me scoot closer so you can see this. Then I got this leather, it's like a little leather, I guess, oh my gosh. Like a blade protector, I guess, that goes on here. Oh my gosh. So then when you store it, it protects the head and all of that.